Hi, welcome to Run Deal for Naomi underwear. Hi, welcome to Run Deal. Today I'm going to show you this pack of 3 underwears I got from Amazon. These are really nice for your teens. They come with 5 layers of protection and they have a really cute print on them. So 5 layers of protection on the inside. These are really nice. They're super comfortable. They're made with 95% cotton. They're stretchy. They are leak proof. They are super easy to take care of. You can machine wash them and put them in the dryer also. So great product. Highly recommend. Hope you guys enjoy it.